In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the website language in ElevenLabs. Let's start from the very beginning so it's easy to follow. Open your web browser and head to Google. This is a quick way to get to the official ElevenLabs website without having to remember the exact URL. In the Google search bar, type ElevenLabs and press enter. You should see the official site appear near the top of the results. Look for the listing that clearly references ElevenLabs and their platform, then click it to open the site. Once the ElevenLabs site loads, you'll be taken to the app interface. For these steps, it helps if you're already signed into your account, since the language setting is inside your profile area. On the bottom left corner of the interface, locate your profile section. You'll see a small arrow beside it. Click that arrow to expand the profile menu. If you don't see it right away, try widening your browser window or scrolling slightly. Sometimes the sidebar hides items when the window is narrow. With the menu expanded, click on Settings. This opens a panel where you can control how the app behaves and looks. Take a moment to let the page load fully so all options appear. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Application Language. This is where you select the language for the website's interface, things like menus, buttons, and labels. It won't change the language of any audio you generate, it just updates the app's interface so it's easier for you to navigate. Click the language drop-down and choose your preferred language from the list. As soon as you select it, the interface will typically update automatically. If it doesn't refresh right away, give it a second or reload the page to apply the change. The selection should be saved to your profile, so you won't need to set it again the next time you sign in. If you can't find your language, check back occasionally. Platforms often add new options over time. And if the menu looks different from what you expect, make sure you're in the app area rather than the marketing homepage, and that the left sidebar is expanded. That's all there is to it. To recap the flow, go to Google, search for ElevenLabs, open the official site, expand the profile section at the lower left, head into Settings, find Application Language, and select the language you want. Once it updates, you're ready to use the site in the language that's most comfortable for you.